Welcome to Trade Rep. This is Short Hammer. It is the 31st of May, 2019, and we're looking at the SPY. Now, the SPY did pretty much what we thought it would do. We were down yesterday in the 277 area, and we expected a retest of the 279, and then a retest of the 277, and then another retest of the 279. And the reason we expected this is, let's scroll back a little bit. Usually each time we've approached that 277 area since March, we've kind of bounced back into the 279. Move a little quickly. Come on, let's get there. Here we go. Headed down to this 277 area, and we bounced right back to the 279. And again, the sort of ping pong between the 279 and the 277. Even this overnight play. So let's go back to where we are right now. What's a little bit different is that we were following the same pattern to go back up to the 279s, but at the close or after the close, we received negative trade news. The president is putting tariffs on products coming from Mexico. So that's another negative trade news or trade catalyst on top of the negative China trade catalyst, on top of the potential Eurozone trade catalyst of us potentially putting taxes on products coming out of Europe. So we just dipped pretty hard here and went down into the 276s. Now, is this the sky is falling? Oh, it's over. Sell everything? No, not quite that yet. What we want to watch for is where we open. Based on these levels, let's scroll back. The last time we were down here in the 276s, surprise, surprise, it was the 29th. And we went as low as the 276.70s, it looks like. And we're down here a little bit below that, but it's the same area. So what we should watch for tomorrow is if we see a dead cat bounce, if we see a pullback into this supply demand zone that's been really good support, and if we see a bounce here, do we retest this main intraday pivot at 278.96? I don't think we'll have the strength for that because of the amount of negative trade news, but I'll be watching for a pullback and a drop. If we wake up and this thing is gapping down hard and we're all the way down here somewhere, I'm still going to wait for a pullback. Or if I see us drop so hard that we begin to consolidate and then I see green candles and we start to break to the upside, we go red to green as far as just on the candles, not on the day, then I may take a short scalp back up into this consolidation. But I'm going to wait to see where we open, see if there's any change in catalyst or change in mood. But if we continue to the downside, our next supply demand zone is this 274.10 by 274.40. And if we get below that, our next level is the 270.27 by 269.78. And we have a cluster of pivots down here in this 270.27, 270.30 area. There's a cluster of pivots here. So, and also our 38.2% fib line, but we'll see, which is 271.76. We'll see where we open, and if the momentum continues to the downside, if we get a dead cat bounce and then more selling, or if we just go sideways. But I think there'll be a downward catalyst tomorrow, so let's see if the market maintains this downward push, this downward momentum, and where exactly we open.